And finally, we've made it to the last lecture where I'm going to tell you what's next or what you can do now to learn even more about guitar. In this lesson, we're going to cover where you should go from now. And let's begin with do it again. You've only done the course once, so why not try it again? And unless you're wondering whether you should refresh yourself on the course, I challenge you with this self-test. Can you play an open E chord? Can you play an E power chord? What about an open chord? A power chord, A open chord? What about the B power chord? B seventh open chord? What about a rock and roll rhythm in E? How about a shuffle rhythm in E? How about part 2 of the test? Can you play a G bar chord? And of course, naturally, next in the 12-bar blues would be the C bar chord and the D bar chord. By the way, play these chords. These are the essence of blues guitar. So play an alternate pattern, rock and roll rhythm, and a shuffle pattern. And finally, do you know the G minor pentatonic scale? If you can answer yes to all these, you've blown my course away. There's no reason to go back anymore. You're ready to go into the future. And what does that future look like? Well, there are internet guitar lessons. First of all, yeah, you can find a lot of little fragments and interesting stuff on YouTube, but hopefully we can do better than that. Something more organized. If I had to say what are the top 2 guitar courses that I've taken via either DVD or online streaming, I would say number 1 is GuitarJams.com and Marty Schwartz. He's just fun. He's going to basically teach you exactly what I've taught you, but much slower and a lot more detail. And he's going to take you well beyond, and he's going to do it in a fun manner. So if you want fun guitar, that's the way to do it. The next is LearnandMaster.com guitar. This is the official Gibson guitar course done by Steve Krentz, and what I would say is it's mostly scholarly. So if you're headed towards playing classical guitar and want to actually know the notes and how to read real music rather than guitar tab and so on, then Steve Krentz is the way to go. And this course is what I would get. This is fairly pricey. I think it's up in the $100 range. I recently got charged $40 to download a streaming copy of Marty Schwartz's Blues Guitar Domination, which is the most of his DVDs. So that's a really good deal. Finally, there's Griff Hamlin, and Griff gets very technical. He's probably for the more advanced guitarists, but if you really want to take your guitar to the next level, you're eventually going to be dealing with Griff. So these are the online guitar lessons that I found that are worth considering. Next, let's look at internet chord diagrams and tablature resources. So if you want to find a song or you want to find the chords to a song, the number 1 place that I've found to go to is ultimateguitar.com. That's with a hyphen. This place has everything on it, and it's all pretty much free. I think you have to pay to get their app if you want to play the guitar tab on your computer or something. I think I probably broke down and did that at some point, but it's up to you. This is a very inexpensive place to get guitar tablature and chord diagrams. Now next, this is an experiment for me. I just created an account. I went out and I searched for how to play guitar with others on the internet. And I came up, one of the number 1 sites was a place called JamKazam. And what it allows you to do is to play with others online. I've never done it, but it sounds like a great place to continue our relationship. Here's the place. It's called jamkazam.com. They have a free downloadable app that you can run. And once you do that, you can enter into the search box. Search for Brian Jackson. The only Brian Jackson that's showed up so far has been me, who's Brian Jackson in Santa Rosa, California. If you happen to find that, link up, send me a message, and let's play some blues guitar together. So if you're ready to continue to rock online, then let's link up on Jazz Kazam. If this doesn't work out, then I'm sure other online methods will spring up, and I'll recommend them far into the future until we actually get together online. So, the final thing that I want to talk with you about is blues intermediate guitar. You know that it's not far away. If this course succeeds, if you recommend it to others, if you actually give it a decent review, then I will be prompted to produce additional guitar courses, and I'll see you there. And if not any of these other options, then I'm afraid it's time to say the end. This is it. You've gotten everything you can out of this course, and I'll hopefully see you again online in the classroom. Rock on.